Are you someone who has always wished that you had passive income in your life? You have talent. What you lack is ideas. So 10 minutes, 20 ideas just for you. Hello and welcome back to Freedom English channel. This is Sanara. Passive income, active income. Active income, you are actively involved in creating that income every day. Passive income, your effort is minimum, but you do get the income out of it. So, today in this video, we are going to see 20 such ideas, or I would say 20 passive income ideas which you can actually implement in your life if you're planning to make passive income for you. And before I jump into the video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. First one, rent a room. Do you have a flat with an extra room, or do you have a 3-story apartment with an extra flat? Go ahead and rent it out. Here, the effort is finding the tenant and rest is taken care of. Second point is affiliate marketing. Normally, we see a link in most of people's Instagram handle or in Facebook page. And what do they say? Shop using this link. And why do they request us to shop using their link is because they get a commission out of it. So here, what do? You go to the website for which you need the affiliate link, and then you request the website to create a link for you, take the link, paste it in your social media handles and make passive income out of it. Third idea, peer-to-peer lending. When you're doing peer-to-peer lending, one thing you have to remember is you need proof here. Either transfer the money through GPay or PhonePe or any electronic media, and you can also take a written agreement in case if you're giving cash. But here you're not going to lend a big amount of money to someone you don't know. You're going to lend small amount of money to the people you know. Might be someone who works with you or your neighbors or your friends. But as I mentioned earlier, have proof and you're going to charge a little bit of interest, which is going to act as your passive income. Fourth idea, sell a course online. So you have n number of websites where you can sell courses. Here your effort is to create a course. Curate a complete course depending on your expertise and sell it online. Whenever you get an enrollment, you get paid for it. Fifth idea, sell an ebook. Same thing applies here. You're going to sit down for weeks, months or years and complete an ebook, and you're going to publish it online. Once you have published it and you have done your marketing part, you will get paid every time someone buys your book. So you can actually convert this into an active income if you can actually give good books to people. Sixth one, start a YouTube channel. Ever since COVID-19 hit us, people have started watching YouTube a lot. And when people understood that people are watching YouTube a lot, they all became YouTubers. So why can't you? If they have become a YouTuber, you can become a YouTuber too. How do you monetize your channel? In 1 year, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you complete this target, your YouTube channel becomes monetized, which means it's going to give money to you. Depending on your views, the ads you get, the subscribers and everything, you will get good amount of money out of it, which can actually become your active income later. Seventh idea, drop shipping. What is drop shipping? It is something which is being trending right now. So the customer is here, the seller is here, you are here. Customer orders through you and the seller directly delivers the product. So this is how it works. So if you're someone who is interested in such type of works, do a research on it and start a drop shipping store. Eighth one, create an app. If you have an idea for an app which can actually be used by people, which actually will be useful to people, you can develop it using the app developers, and this app will actually give you money. It can be based on fitness or maybe cooking recipes, healthy recipes, lifestyle, fashion, motivation. You have so many things. If you have brain to create an app and if you're 100% sure that it's going to help people, go ahead and do it. Ninth idea is rent out your car. I had a friend of mine who did that. So he was working in an office. 9 to 6, he didn't need his car. So he rented out his car to another office for their use. So they were paying him money. So he was working 9 to 6 and getting his active income. His car was working for him in another office from 9 to 6 and getting him passive income. 10th idea, self-service laundry. Set this service where there are more bachelors, because normally bachelors will not have washing machine in their house and they will be washing their clothes using their hand. If you can actually show them that you have 2-3 machines in your place, they can come, bring their laundry, clean it off there and take it back. They will actually prefer doing it because they are consuming their time. It is okay if they spend a little bit of money on that because that time is more important to them than the little bit of money. So you can make passive income by starting a self-service laundry. 11th one, vending machines. Get the license for vending machine. Set up the vending machines in front of your office or in front of your apartment or maybe your colony. You can make passive income out of it too. 12th one, putting ads on your car. So this completely depends. They might say, we'll put this ad on your car, travel from this destination to this destination. Or they might say, run so many kilometers, we'll pay you. But it is easy. Ask me why? You might be someone traveling every day from one place to another, maybe like 100 kilometers or 200 kilometers. You just put a small ad on your car and that ad is going to generate money every time. 13th idea, royalty income. This has been in trend for a long time, which means your property is used by someone and you get income out of it. So if you have something that you can give it out, maybe patent or copyright, then you can actually make passive income out of it. 14th one, rent your items, your dresses, your jewels, anything it might be. If you have something that is good enough and that is valuable enough that people might use and rent from you, go ahead and rent it out. Even if you're a tailor, stitch dresses, stitch clothes for brides and everyone and rent it out, because your effort is once. You're going to make same amount of money from the same dress every time someone rents from you, apart from selling it to them for one shot. 15th idea, sell products on eBay. We all know eBay. If you have good products, if you make something or even secondhand, you can find websites and places where you can sell it, even OLX, all the places. All these things which are lying in your home of no use, you can actually convert those things into cash. 16th idea, sell products on Amazon. So my friend is someone who loves art and craft. So she normally makes these bottle paintings. So now what she started doing is she started putting a light inside the bottle and selling it as a night lamp. And trust me, she sells it on Amazon and it has got a good reach and people are buying it. So you can create passive income by selling your products on Amazon as well. 17th idea, being a silent business partner. You invest money, you let the other investors take care of it, you stay a little away and you get money out of it. So you just put money inside and you say, I'm going to be a silent business partner. 18th idea, car wash. If you stay in a complete colony or maybe an apartment, not everyone will have time to wash their car. So if you can actually spend some time, maybe a Sunday or weekends in washing cars, you can make passive income out of it. And if you're someone in teenage or maybe in 20s, it's going to be fun for you. Maybe 4 friends together can wash the car and make money out of it. 19th idea, sell printed t-shirts on demand. So printed t-shirts have become very famous right now. For couples, she is mine, he is mine, our baby, my mom, dad. So many quotes have come up and they love wearing those t-shirts and going out. So if you're someone who can design it, get it printed from the shop and send it to the customer and make money out of it. This need not be a full-time job, it can be a part-time job, which actually will give you passive income. Last and 20th way to get passive income is take tuition. Tuition need not be every day. If you're going to teach a foreign language, you can actually take alternate days, maybe 1 hour per day. And if you're going to take tuition for one single person, you can take good amount of money from them. Or if you're going to take a tuition online for so many people, maybe 5 to 10 people or 10 to 15 people, you can charge them accordingly. But this can be a passive income for you, which you're going to do in the evening, but you also have your job, which is 9 to 6, going to pay you the active income. So in this video, we have seen 20 ideas for passive income. So if you have been someone who always wanted to do something for passive income, but never had the idea what to do, I believe that this video would have given you some idea or some glimpse of what types of passive incomes you can actually have in life. So if you like this video, go ahead with a thumbs up. If you think this can be beneficial to others, go ahead and share. And in case if you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. And Freedom app, it is very important to have it on your phone. Ask me why. You have personal finance, business and farming. If you're someone who wants to earn money, you have courses for that. If you're someone who wants to double your money, you have courses for that. If you're someone who wants to start a business and don't know what business to start, you have courses on that. Which means you have so many options available, including farming. Something or the other will click for you. And whichever clicks for you, learn the course, see the course, understand the course, implement the course in your life and change your life. And that is one way you can actually improve your life, the quality of life and make more money in your life and get settled. So with this point, I'll end this video. I'll catch you again in the next. Until then, you guys take care and bye-bye.